Hi everyone, welcome to Rev Up Learning, and in today's video we're mastering a skill which is 3-digit subtraction with regrouping. So let's start from our ones place. As you should always know, don't forget that. We start off from our ones place. And 3 minus 5, and question 1 is 213 minus 105. And our ones place we start off from, which is 3 minus 5, and which 3 minus 5 cannot go because our minuend is less than our subtracted, which our minuend is 3 and our subtracted is 5. So we head to our next door neighbor, which is our tens place, and we have 1 and 0. Now, before I proceed, I'm actually telling you that what we're about to do is called regrouping or borrowing in this case. So we head to our next door neighbor since our minuend is less than our subtracted, and which means we cannot subtract. So we have to go to our next door neighbor, which is our tens place, which our tens place is 1 and a 0, and a 0 and a 1 and a 0. We need to get a number here. So we remove a 1. We move 1 away from our 1, and which the 1 is now no more a 1. So we slash the 1, and the 1 is now a 0, because we took 1 away from the 1. And how about the 3? The 3 is no more a 3. It's now a 13, because that 1 represents a 10. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. So our answer is 13. So 13 minus 5 gives me what? 8. So that's our answer. So 0 minus 0 is what? 0 minus 0 is 0. And then we head straight to our hundreds place, which what is our hundreds place? Our hundreds place is we have 2 and a 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1. That's all for question 1. And now question 2, as I said. 275 minus 136. We start from our ones. As you always know, we start from our ones. 5 minus 6 cannot work because our minuend is less than our subtracted, and you know that. So we head to our next door neighbor, which is 7 and 3. Take 1 away from our 7, which is 7 is no more 7 but a 6. And then we slash the 7 to remind us that the 7 is no more a 7 but a 6. So, because we have taken 1 away from our 7. So we head to our 5, back to our ones place, and which in our ones place is 5. But the 5 is no more 5. It's a 15 because the 1 represents a 10. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. I hope that's clear. So our answer is 15. So 15 minus 6 is what? It is 9. So we write 9 below our ones place. Then we head straight to our tens, which is right here. Right here. Which we have 6 and 3. And 6 minus 3 is 3. And then, now we're done with our tens place. We head straight to our hundreds place, which in our hundreds place is 2 minus 1. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer is 139. Question 3. 482 minus 246. As you know, Ones place we must start, no doubt. 2 minus 6 cannot work. You know why? Because our minimum is less than our subtracted. So we head to our next door neighbor, which is 8 and 4. We move 1. We slash the 8 to remind us it's no more a 8. It's now a 7 because we took 1 away from our 8. And that 2, we head straight to our ones place. Which that 2 is no more a 2. It's a 12. Because that 1 represents a 10. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. That 2 is now a 12. So our answer here is 12. This is the formula you should use. Again, this is called regrouping or borrowing. So 12 minus 6 is what? 6. And then we go to our tens place, which in our tens place, it is 7 minus 4. And 7 minus 4 gives me what? 3. So we write 3 underneath our tens place. And how about our hundreds place, which is right here? 4 minus 2 is what? 2. So I hope that 3-digit subtraction with regrouping really helped you out today.